way.
Natalie Tarangeli, KGUN 9 on your side.
It's a pretty serious illness rarely seen outside the Southwest. We're talking about the hacking cough, aches and pains that come along with valley fever. And as KGUN 9 on your side's Craig Smith reports, a leading valley fever researcher says he's seeing a surge in infections.
You could blame the wet winter for a valley fever bloom. The moisture awakened the dormant valley fever fungus and helped it multiply. Now that it's dry again, the fungus spores are in the dust, waiting to be inhaled, where the moist tissue of your lungs will help the fungus infect your body. Dr. John Galgiani leads the University of Arizona Valley Fever Center for Excellence. He says patients and doctors often mistake valley fever for something else.
If you have symptoms of pneumonia or bad arthritis, aches and pains, it's a very common presentation, or skin rashes that are sudden and itchy, or bumps on your shins. Those are the symptoms of early cocci infections, and we're encouraging doctors in the state to automatically test for this disease because it's so common. If you get pneumonia in Tucson, it's one chance out of 3 is caused by this fungal infection.
Dr. Galgiani says there's no practical way to protect yourself with a dust mask, and it does not seem to matter whether you work outside all day long or just step out every once in a while. It can just be your bad luck to inhale that speck of dust where the fungus is riding along. Dr. Galgiani says it can discourage research when an illness like valley fever is in just one part of the country. But he's encouraged that Senators Kirsten Sinema and Martha McSally are sponsoring a bill to push for better diagnosis and treatment. With their noses right down in the dust, dogs are especially likely to get valley fever. But U of A researchers are close to a vaccine to protect them.
And the argument is, and the reason we're doing that first, is if we can show that it works to protect dogs from valley fever, we'll start wondering why aren't we just doing it for ourselves as well.
Craig Smith, KGUN 9 on your side.
A correctional officer is expected to be arrested